Chris Page here with Outdoorsman in Christ. Today I just wanted to go over one of the most important things when it comes to deer hunting, and that would be shot placement. We always need to make sure we get a good ethical shot on a deer, especially if we're going to recover it. But a lot of people that are just now starting out bow hunting, that maybe rifle hunted for years, this is stuff that they're not really accustomed to. I rifle hunted a long time before I ever picked up a bow. All I knew was if I put a bullet behind the shoulder blade, it wasn't going very far at all. But it's right here, the first arrow. I had actually shot a doe last year. I hadn't adjusted my bow properly, and I had actually shot a doe way too far forward. I was aiming at the heart and lungs and caught her in the shoulder blade. Now I did see her on camera a couple of days later, so I knew that she lived. And I felt horrible. I still feel horrible about the fact that I screwed up my shot. But had I properly tuned my bow, that never would have happened. The second shot, which is all kind of eat up here, and some people prefer these. I'm not a big fan of them, but a heart shot directly into the heart. I prefer a double lung myself, but if you hit them in the heart, yeah, they're going down. But some people I've talked to, the problem that they have with a heart shot is the deer running off of adrenaline, still running for a pretty good while. But more than likely, definitely, if you hit them in the heart, they're going down, and you're going to have a really good blood trail. The second shot, or excuse me, the third shot right here, especially if you're using an expandable broadhead, would be a heart and lung. Even with a fixed blade, if you can get just a little bit closer, more than likely you get a double lung with good penetration with a cut-on contact broadhead. But you could get a double lung and nick the heart, so that's a good ethical kill as well. They're not going to go maybe 60 yards at the most. Recovery should be really easily done. Now if I can pull off that shot, then I'll go for it. But this here is my preferred, is a double lung using a cut-on contact. If your bow is heavy enough in the poundage range, then you can probably get a double lung with a Rage or a Swacker or anything like that. I do like Rage, but my bow is set at 47 pounds. I'm not going to get a complete pass-through with a Rage. It's just not going to happen. But a double lung shot, entry and exit with a cut-on contact, that deer's maybe going 30-40 yards. Because the reason I prefer a double lung shot is because you have a bigger surface area compared to just the heart. And two, if you can't breathe, you can't run. The last shot is, in my opinion, not a very ethical shot. It will kill a deer, but it'll take some time. A liver shot right here on the backside. You're very close to the stomach cavity. Even if you hit them in the stomach or the intestines, yeah, they're going to die, but they're not going to die within 30 minutes. They're going to die 10-12 hours later. You're going to have a hard time for recovery. You're not going to have a lot of blood. Your arrow is going to smell really awful, and that deer is just going to pretty much die from blood poisoning. So guys, we've only got 8 days till Kentucky opener for bow season. So guys, I hope everybody's practiced. I know I've been out here trying to tear this deer up. My first few shots were horrible at the beginning, whenever I started practicing. But with some good help and patience, I've finally been able to get it narrowed down to a good range. So guys, God bless, happy hunting. Can't wait till next Saturday to get out in the woods and see God's creation. Best of luck to everybody. I will be posting another video. Somebody had asked me to go over the Rhino 200 blind again on the way the windows function. So we're going to go out there and check that out. We're going to check out our trail cameras. So guys, God bless. Have a good day and stay safe.